Hi, my name is Dale. I'm the installation leader here at Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're going to be talking about glass and the different types of glass that can be installed into the windows of your home to give you different features and options to have a home that is more comfortable in San Antonio. All right, so we've gone through the three kind of basic types of windows that we have here in San Antonio that we offer here at Southwest Exteriors. And with each of those different types, there's one important thing we really need to talk about, and that is glass type in those. So glass does multiple things for you. Obviously, it protects from whatever's coming through, wind, all that, but it also protects from UV light. It protects from the solar heat gain, so the heat coming through your windows. It protects from noise and sound deadening, so you can offset the different types of glass to give you different noise reduction. You know, we have obviously an airport very close to the office here, so noise reduction is fantastic if you have a home that's in a flight path or you have a freeway or, you know, noisy neighbor kids. Glass can really make a difference here with the comfort of your home. So the glass here in San Antonio really needs to be able to protect from the elements first and foremost, right? So with the amount of heat that we get, you can actually order glass packages that reduce the amount of heat that comes through your windows 80 or 90%. And there are other glasses, you know, kind of the more protection you get, the darker it can get on some glass types. But there are a lot of options out there, and with each of the different window types, if you match that with the proper glass for what your needs are, so whether you want more sound deadening because of where you're at, or you want more solar protection on one side of your house versus the other because the heat hits, you know, a certain side of your house more, so the south side of the house obviously gets a little bit more heat than the other sides. Maybe you have a tree that's great for shade and you don't need that protection. But just kind of going through his options and understanding what glass type would be best suited for San Antonio and your specific home, depending on which way it's oriented, is really important to think about and a great thing to talk to your design consultant about. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today here at the Home Solutions channel. Again, my name is Dale, and feel free to stop by and see me anytime. And please check out the links above, and we will talk to you soon.